All right, gonna be trying the purple Gator Jigsaw. I don't have any info on this pepper, except I'm sure that it is in some way related to the Gator Jigsaw, just a purple and then red ripening phenotype. Anyways, as far as heat and flavor goes, I don't know what this thing's gonna do to me, but I'm gonna find out here in just a second. Immediate heat. The immediate heat's not bad. So there's a glowing heat in the throat. I imagine that'll be picking up. And there's some like sharp stinging heat on the tongue. And then the upper and lower gums. Salivating a lot, and my sinuses are draining. Doesn't seem too bad. Sharper than a habanero, probably hotter than a habanero, but it doesn't seem too crazy at the moment. We'll see if it gets hotter. The throat feels a little bit warmer, and I imagine it'll pick up and catch up to where the rest of the mouth is at. Wouldn't be one of my videos if I didn't choke on some saliva. Yeah, it's seemingly pretty steady. Maybe a slight slow burn, slight climbing burn. But nothing too outrageous, at least at the moment. That's pretty hot. But ever since that Gold Ghost cross Pink Tiger peach pheno, that thing messed me up. I wasn't able to get that one on camera. When I hit play, accidentally flipped it over to the camera screen and hit photograph instead. Did the whole video before I realized But that was a really, really bad one for me at the moment. However, after that, something like this is easy. Yeah, I'm not sure where I'd put this in my heat scale. Maybe top 10 of the hottest pods that I've personally had. Flavor is pretty sweet, actually. Little bit of bitterness, a little bit of that habanero-like flavor to it. Overall, not bad. I might even put this one in my top 10 for flavor as well. I'll have to write that out sometime and see kind of where I'm at with my list so far. I haven't tried a ton of different peppers, but I feel like I have enough to kind of start my favorites. It's a pretty steady burn. It's still stinging pretty good. The throat burn's not as bad. It's kind of died back down, but the whole top of the tongue is still going. The gums aren't really burning as much anymore. I imagine the gums burn will end soon. I don't know if the pepper itself made me sweat at all because the sun's beating down on me, but I don't think it did. Like, I don't feel internally heated, if that makes sense, like some of the other peppers do. Sometimes I'll get it in my chest and it'll feel like the inside of my body is warming up. But this time around, I'm not getting any of that. Not noticeably anyways. So yeah, I think the burn's not bad if you're eating hot peppers regularly. So yeah, I mean, I have another one in there and I'll probably eat that tonight if I get that far in my box. We'll see. Still burning pretty decent. I think we're getting a little bit closer to the habanero level. Not quite there yet. This one seems to be more of like a extended burn than a sharp, like all at once for like 2-3 minutes. It kind of just hits peak pretty quick, and then yeah, I know I kind of said it seemed slow earlier, but I'm wondering if that's more because it just like lingers so much. It's maybe just gives you the illusion of feeling hotter just because it's there so long. But yeah, it's tapering down a little bit now. Probably around habanero level heat. So nothing too crazy. Starting to notice a little bit like in the corner of the lips. Not on the entirety of the lips though, just in the corners of the lips, kind of on the inside. And then on the sides of the tongue, it's still burning. Not really getting the hot breath this time around, like I have been with a lot of the other peppers. I'm wondering if that's because I'm also not getting that like internal heat feeling. I'm wondering if those coincide. Probably. It would make sense if they did. Yeah. It's getting even better. Sides of the tongue is dying down. Corner of my lips no longer burn, that I can tell at the moment. Not salivating as much. Everything's kind of calmed down. So right now it's just kind of that warm, like lingering, it's a little more than a glowing burn, but it's right around there. It's kind of nice. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and call it. Thanks for watching.